المصطفى منبع للصفا سيد الأنبياء مشعل في الوفاء كان في
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। एक बहुत ही अफसोसनाक खबर है कि फ़लस्तीन को दुनिया के नक्शे से हटा दिया गया है। गूगल मैप्स और एप्पल मैप्स ने ये फैसला लिया है। आज हम इसी बारे में बात करेंगे कि ये फैसला क्यों लिया गया है। मज़ीद आगे
कभी भीख से आज़ादियाँ नहीं मिला करती, जब तक उसके जबड़े नहीं चीज देंगे उसको बात की समझ नहीं आएगी। जंग मसले का हल नहीं है, ये तुम्हारा फलसफा होगा। कुरान कहता है वमा लकुम ला तुकातिलूना फी सबीलिल्लाह, तुम्हें क्या हो गया तुम अल्लाह की राह में जिहाद की।
इंशाअल्लाह जिस तरह ये झंडे जलाए हैं, मुस्लिम अक़वाम उम्मत मुस्लिमा एक दिन इन दो शैतान मुबालिक को इसी तरह जड़ से उखाड़ेगी। और जो आज गूगल ने नया नक्शा जारी किया है, हम उसको मुस्तरद करते हैं और उसे बताना चाहते हैं कि एक दिन जरूर आएगा कि अमेरिका और इसराइल इसी तरह निस्तो नाबूद होंगे और हम अपने मुसलमान मुल्क अपने फ़लस्तीनी भाइयों को जरूर आज़ादी दिलवाएंगे। ये मैं इज़हार यकीन करता हूँ फ़लस्तीनी भाइयों के साथ। और जो आज गूगल ने ये हरकत की है, ये बिल्कुल ही उम्मत मुस्लिमा के इस्तेहकाक को मजरूह करने की हरकत की है। इंशाअल्लाह एक दिन आएगा कि हम बैतुल मुक़द्दस को आज़ाद करवाएंगे और ये अमेरिका और इसराइल को मूंग खानी पड़ेगी। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
We are marching here in New York City for Palestine. It's not the first time, and I'm afraid it's not going to be the last time. But what is now worse than ever before is that it's not only an occupation which is continuing. It is not only crimes which didn't stop this. It's not only an occupation that we didn't manage to stop. It's actually going further, expanding, annexing. This just shows you with whom we are dealing. We are dealing with a bunch of hypocrites. They claim they are looking for peace. They would blame whoever is in their way for being the obstacle for peace. But what we are witnessing today is that Israel, any of its representatives, don't have anything with peace. They're not looking for peace. Basically what they are looking is for the occupation. They want to expand the occupation and occupy it all. We as Jewish people are here not just because of the expansion which is taking place now. It's not only the annexation that we oppose and we reject. It's from day one. We stood up and we said that this occupation in its entirety is unjust. It's a violation of human rights. But in addition to this, this is a violation of Jewish law. All what Israel represents from day one is criminal and is anti-Jewish. According to Judaism, we as Jewish people believe that we are in exile, we are forbidden to create a sovereign homeland for ourselves, and certainly we are forbidden to oppress any people. Rebelling against any nation is totally forbidden according to Judaism, but especially when this happened in Palestine for committing all these crimes to whom? Against which people? Those people that protected us, that people that hosted us in the Holy Land for so many hundreds of years. This is ridiculous, and it's embarrassing to us as Jewish people that sadly all of these crimes are being done supposedly in our name. We are here as Jewish people, as